guys, it's Moonblaze AJ here, and today I'm going to be doing a trolling video. So I'm doing a HD giveaway, and if you didn't know, HD means headdress, but no, it doesn't. It doesn't mean headdress, yo, it don't mean headdress, yo. It was a HD, but that's not what it is. I'll show you what a HD is. This is a HD, so we're giving away what they're gonna say is pink headdress, a blue headdress, and a black headdress. So yeah, no, I don't wanna be blue, black, and light pink HD giveaway. I can hear what you say. Okay, we got 10. You spit me out, but I get a look at Animal Jam. I need to bring it back. Okay, okay. There. Okay. To be free. Okay. Okay, this I have a black one, a blue one, and a pink one. Okay. Okay, black first. The word is peanut butter. Spread a lot peanut butter jelly. Dolphin wins. Spread a lot peanut butter jelly. Okay, I'll gift at the end. I've written it down. It down. Okay, so dolphin. Oh, gift at ends when I get. Okay, I've written it down. But there are none. Remember, next blue. The word is gazelle. And lastly, pink. The word is bean bag lollipop. Bean bag lollipop. Okay. Okay. Dolphin wins again. Bean bag lollipop. Gifting them now. Now. Animal Jam rocks. Okay, and another one. They're gonna get so angry. And she got the blue one. Meep. It was literally a HD giveaway. You know what I mean? But you're all. You're all in a video. I'm Blaze Jane. Say bye. Ah, let me guess, my voice is recorded. Say bye. Say bye.